In this video, I explain self in Python classes. Look at this code. I create an employee class with one method, setSalary. Then I create an employee instance. I set the salary and print the salary. The result is 2000. If you are watching this video, you probably have two questions. 1. What is self? 2. Why does the setSalary method have two parameters? But when I call setSalary, I only have to pass one argument. Here is the answer. In the class, setSalary is an attribute. To be more precise, it is an attribute that holds a function object. E is a class instance. When you call e.setSalary, Python takes the instance and searches for its class. Here it found employee. Python now searches in the class for a function object called setSalary and finds it. At this point, there is a pointer to e and a pointer to the function object. Both the pointers are packed into a method object. Python calls the method object with argument 2000 and a new argument list is returned. The new argument list contains e and 2000. Now Python calls the setSalary function in the object with the new argument list. Let me repeat. When the caller calls a class method, Python maps this method call to a function call in an object and automatically adds the instance as its first argument. And this is what people mean when they say that self is the instance itself. It is because Python passed it for you. I hope this video helped you.